In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a cat's paw to pull out nails. So this is what we call a cat's paw bar. You can see it's got a nail pulling end at 90 degrees to the shaft on this side. You can also hit that end with a hammer to help pull nails out. And then it's got another puller at the other end. It's pointed to help you dig into the wood to extract your nail. So this is just a little pry bar set that I managed to get online. It's quite a useful one. It's only from Amazon, but it does the job. We'll pop a link in the description in case you're after some pry bars, but we'll show you how you can use the cat's paw now. So we'll knock this nail in. Now these cat's paw bars aren't designed to take out the nail without causing any damage. They're designed to damage the wood but get your nail out as quickly as possible. Sometimes what I like to do is, if the nail is set really deep, I like to use one of these tack lifters beforehand, get under the head of the nail and prise it up a little bit. That way you cause less damage when you use your cat's paw. So I'll pop a link to these in the description if I find a heavy duty one. This one's a bit flimsy, but they're really good at getting the nail started. And we're just going to knock in our cat's paw. You have to be quite brave with this. The main thing we're doing here is we're just getting the nail out. We're not looking for it to be pretty. And the only way to use these cat's paws is to get them started, hammer them in. We're almost under that nail. A few more taps and then we'll lever it out. And then just pull back on the bar, getting the right amount of leverage. And then your nail just lifts out. There's a couple of options. You've two ends. I prefer using this end from start to finish. But if the head of your nail is already out, you can also use this side. My top tip would be, if you put a piece of wood down, you can always use that to protect the wood as you're lifting out the nail. If you've found some other ingenious ways of using the cat's paw, let us know. And if you'd like to see some more DIY content, feel free to subscribe to the channel.